Well, helping you to rebound from the impact of the pandemic, preparing for tax time this year may come with some new questions and challenges you've never faced before. News 5's Patrick Nelson spoke with the local tax expert about what we can expect. Patrick.
We know the pandemic has impacted everyone and some people in more challenging ways than others. With work situations changing in the last year, some people changed careers, others even had to collect unemployment, which means tax season this year may look a little different for you. Local tax experts say they're already seeing more and more people calling with questions as their workload picks up. While many of the questions have straightforward answers, the unique situations some businesses and people find themselves in are at times needing more work to get things figured out.
Right now, I have to have like 8 screens open. I have to go to different websites to figure out all those different changes. And some of the changes that we haven't even gotten guidance on. You know, Congress writes 3 sentences on some bill, and we need 3,000 pages to interpret it for us.
In Colorado specifically, we've done a lot of reporting on the unemployment fraud people have dealt with. Tax experts say it's so important to file fraud claims to avoid any headaches with the IRS and to make sure it knows if you didn't apply for or collect unemployment.
We can't file your tax returns until we figure that out, because the IRS is just going to kick it, back. They're going to, July and August, they're going to do their database comparisons and go, look, you filed a tax return without this income on there.
Many people trying to make ends meet during the economic challenges of the pandemic may have taken on gig work for the first time, driving for companies like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash. Working as your own boss in those situations, tax pros say if you aren't used to having a tax bill, you need to be prepared because unlike being a W-2 worker, your income in those gig jobs is taxable and you need to take the money out yourself. And what about if you've been working from home for almost a year now? We know expenses come with that, but when it comes to the tax code, experts say only those who are self-employed will be eligible for any kind of a write-off. If you are a W-2 employee, don't expect to be able to write off any of those home office expenses. For expert tax advice, contact information, and resources, just head to our website, koaa.com. Always watching out for you, Patrick Nelson, News 5.